You won't believe how incredibly easy it is to propagate a hydrangea and grow several beautiful, lush, new plants from just a few healthy stems. Do you think a dried-out, faded hydrangea is only fit for the compost bin? Think again. If some of the stems are still healthy, firm, and full of life, you can easily use them to grow brand new plants. Start by cutting a few suitable stems, then carefully remove the faded flower heads, any damaged leaves, and the lower leaves, leaving only the healthiest parts of each stem. Choose young, flexible stems that are completely free from spots, rot, or any signs of disease, as these have the greatest chance of producing strong, healthy roots. Next, thoroughly soak a rooting pellet until it has fully expanded but is no longer dripping with excess water. Make a small hole in the center, gently insert the end of the stem, and lightly press the growing medium around it to keep the cuttings securely in place. Place the prepared cuttings inside a clear plastic bag to maintain a consistently high level of humidity, but leave a small opening to allow fresh air to circulate and help reduce the risk of mold. Keep everything in a bright location away from harsh, direct sunlight, and check regularly to make sure the rooting pellet remains slightly moist at all times. After a while, the cuttings will begin to develop a healthy root system and produce their very first fresh shoots. Once that happens, fill a pot with light, well-draining potting soil and carefully transplant the rooted cuttings into it. Water them gently and place the pot somewhere with plenty of bright, indirect light. Before long, your hydrangea will reward you with vigorous, healthy growth and an abundance of stunning, large, eye-catching flower clusters. This fertilizer costs nothing, and your plants will reward you with lush blooms. This homemade plant tonic works wonders. The key to beautiful plants is regular care and proper feeding. Plants need nutrients to grow strong and bloom abundantly. Start by preparing a large bowl and a strainer. Pour in about 8 ounces of dry rice. White, unpolished rice works best. Rice contains starch, magnesium, iron, potassium, and zinc, all the essentials your plants need. Add about 4 cups of cold water, just enough to fully cover the rice. Stir it well by hand and let it sit for about 15 minutes. During this time, the rice will release its valuable nutrients into the water. Remove the strainer. The water should look slightly cloudy. That's a sign it contains dissolved minerals. Pour the rice water into a container that makes watering easy. This fertilizer works for all types of plants. Use it once a week. You'll notice the difference quickly. Your plants will become healthy and full, natural, effective, and completely free. Additionally, its flowers bloom longer and keep a more intense color. If you're wondering why your hydrangea will grow like this, try this trick. It's all about a special eco-friendly fertilizer made from orange peels. To prepare a homemade fertilizer for hydrangeas from orange peels, just follow a few steps. Peel the oranges, then spread the peels on a baking tray. Bake them in the oven at about 260 degrees Fahrenheit for around 2 hours. After that, take them out. Once they cool down, blend them. Transfer the blended peels into a jar. Using it is very easy and quick. Simply sprinkle it over the top layer of soil and add the peels. You can also turn this fertilizer into a perfect spray. Mix the peels from the jar with water and pour it into a spray bottle. Orange peels slightly acidify the soil, which is very beneficial for flowers. This natural fertilizer also works as a repellent against aphids. Your hydrangeas will look better than ever. Thanks to this method, you can have hydrangeas for free. You don't need a greenhouse or any special gardening products for this process. All you need are potatoes. The period from June to August is the perfect time to propagate new hydrangea cuttings. Hydrangea cuttings grow very quickly. Take a hydrangea stem with leaves, but without a flower. Remove some of the leaves from the stem. Then, cut off the lower part of the stem. After that, spray it with a disinfectant. This reduces the risk of the plant rotting. Repeat these steps 3 times. Now prepare the potatoes. Cut them into squares, making sure to remove the skin. Only the juicy inside of the potato should be used. Prepare pots with soil and drainage holes at the bottom. Then place the potato pieces in the pots along with the prepared hydrangea stems. After about 20 days, you should notice new leaves. This is a sign that the hydrangeas have developed roots and started to grow. Transplant the plants into separate larger pots and continue caring for them as before. By spring, you'll be able to plant the young shrubs in the ground, and just like that, you have new flowers completely for free. Pour white powder on your plants and watch them take off like rockets. This simple ingredient has more power than you might think. It's not only great in the kitchen, but also perfect for natural plant care. Just add 3 tablespoons of rice to a blender bowl. Close the lid and blend until it becomes a fine white powder. Done. You've just made your own rice flour, a nutrient-rich boost for your plants. Now prepare 1 liter of warm water. Add 3 tablespoons of the freshly ground rice flour and stir well until you get a smooth mixture. Your natural fertilizer is ready. You can use it not only for potted plants, but also for garden flowers or vegetables. Just water your favorite plants with it, and you'll quickly notice the difference. They'll grow faster, stronger, healthier, and fuller than ever before. Instead of throwing it away, water your hydrangeas with it. They'll bloom until fall, with beautiful flowers and a plant that gets bigger every year. What's often treated as waste can become valuable fertilizer for hydrangeas. It helps them grow and bloom by providing essential minerals. Phosphorus supports blooming and root development. Potassium enhances flower cluster development and stimulates new shoots. Magnesium is crucial for photosynthesis and also affects root growth. Without it, the plant weakens and the leaves turn yellow. Nitrogen supports the growth of both the underground and above-ground parts of the plant and ensures proper leaf coloration. To prepare this fertilizer, all you need are coffee grounds. Instead of pouring them down the sink or into the compost, pour them around the flowers. That's it. This will ensure lush hydrangea blooms that will catch the eyes of all your neighbors. Nourishing smoothie for peonies and hydrangeas. Your garden will overflow with blooms, and it's made from ingredients you usually throw away. The first ingredient, banana peels. They're a natural elixir packed with everything your flowers need to grow strong and healthy. They boost blooming and plant immunity. Peel 2 bananas and toss the peels into a blender. Next, add eggshells, full of calcium, magnesium, and potassium to support root development and strengthen stems. Throw in a few shells. Now add coffee grounds, a real treat for plants. Rich in nitrogen, they promote leafy growth and improve soil structure. Add 5 tablespoons of dried grounds to the blender. Pour in 1 liter of water to bring everything together. Blend for about 2 minutes until smooth. You've just made an all-natural, eco-friendly liquid fertilizer. Store it in an airtight container. Water your peonies and hydrangeas with it once a week, and they'll reward you with lush, vibrant blooms. It's like a home spa treatment for your garden.